engine officers to Embark 1316. If you're thinking to join company, everybody is smiling. That's the good thing about our Italian friends, the family of Italy. Yes, not only in football, but also in ship owning. #1 family in this planet, RORO, ROPAX. Yes, and the Candina is also family and also smiling. So if you are one of those officers in Europe that really want to be on board Italian flag and then RORO's 22 ships, state-of-the-art, plus 55 ROPAX's mini cruise type ships, state-of-the-art, above 67,000 tons, with the most modern, sophisticated ship owner, stubborn family like Candina, like you, then of course some comments, social media is 3,600 euros for a second officer is really very low. Only 600 euros more than an AB is 3,000 euros more. Question is supply and demand. There is plenty cadets in Spain now with no opportunity. So this video is also just, dear European ship owner, contact us. We have a job to do. About 300, 400 need to join ships today. Something called corporate social responsibility, ESG, transparency is to talk and communicate. We need your help, ship owner. But this video is for you, dear European tech and engine officer. Well, if you think of having a career within #1 RORO ROPAX company, most trade ships between Barcelona, Valencia and to Italy, and then you can go up the ladder. If you think long term, like when I started here, my late father said, I'm going to close the company. I said, no way, Jose, I'm still here. Now I'm the sole owner of the company, and I'm excited to tell you this story because it doesn't matter how much it is, your first wage, 3,600. What it matters is that I have 55 ROPAXes, 22 ROROs. I can choose which way to go, and I am within the #1 family smiling company. So be happy, yes, then life is beautiful, isn't it? So why not take it like that? It's supply and demand, and if you wish to join this company, South Europe, and then sail with the smiling people, eat Italian, beautiful, excellent food, and be #1 type ships, apply Candina today, and life is really happiness. Join us. Thank you, European officer. And these ships have Italian flag, social security, collective bargaining agreement, 150 pages. Good luck with it and enjoy applying in Candina. We would be sending you the basic Italian language, but for an officer you need to show us your level. That's why the wage is as is. You need to show us on board how good you are. Then also crew inspector application in Candina, plus also the codice fiscale, the codice, which is the social security and tax number in Italy. They give it in 1 day in Romania, they give it in 1 week in Lithuania, they give it in 3 months in Spain. So the Formula 1 race, the pole position is starting. Perhaps you can get it very fast, and then you will be #1 with us. And that's the most important. When you enter the race, instead of how much you're going to get paid, because the sooner you enter the race, then the happier the owner is. I am, you are. Be happy.